Hello and welcome to this zTPFGI demonstration. This is the first of 3 demonstrations of zTPFGI's transaction recording and examination facility for the zTPF operating system, zTREX. zTREX runs on zTPF, not a simulator, and makes identifying which applications are using resources easier. zTREX does this by providing comprehensive information about resource utilization at several levels and by giving you the graphical tools to see what's going on. When a transaction is run in zTPFGI, we can choose to record data about the execution of the transaction to a text file. We can then use zTREX to analyze this data. In this demo, we'll start off by running a transaction in zTPFGI and recording the data. Then, in the next demo, entitled zTREX Layout, we'll take a look at the zTREX layout, and in the third demo, zTREX Transaction Examination, we'll take a closer look at the zTREX data display area. As you can see, we're already running zTPFGI and are already connected to a system. Before we run a transaction, we need to turn on transaction recording. We can do this via the Analyze tab of the ribbon menu in the zTREX Data Collection section. There are currently 2 levels of data collection, with a third becoming available in the near future. The 2 levels that are available now are the Summary level, which records summary ECB and transaction data, and the Program level, which records data at the program level. We can toggle the relevant buttons to control the collection of data. We can collect summary level data only, or program level data only, or we can opt to collect both. In the near future, there'll be an option to collect file level data as well. The Instruction Count button allows us to specify whether or not to include instruction counts in the recording. This option can be specified separately from the other options because of the overhead involved in collecting instruction counts. If we select instruction counts alone, then only the instruction counts will be collected. Let's switch on all 3 options so that we record data at the summary and program levels, including instruction counts. Now let's run a command. Once the transaction is completed, we have the option to name the transaction file. If we don't name the file is given the default zTREX file name, which is the terminal name followed by the date and time. Let's just accept the default name. If we'd rather just keep the default name every time, we can stop zTPFGI from asking us via the zTPFGI Options dialog. Just open the dialog, open the Environment Options page, and uncheck the Allow Custom zTREX File Names checkbox. Now, the next time we record a transaction, we'll not be asked to provide a file name. Now that the data has been recorded to file, we're ready to analyze it using zTREX. We can access zTREX from within zTPFGI by clicking the View zTREX button in the zTREX Data Collection section of the Analyze tab. In the next demo, entitled zTREX Layout, we'll take a look at the zTREX layout, and in the third demo, zTREX Transaction Examination, we'll take a closer look at the zTREX data display area. To find out more about the rest of the zTPFGI suite, please watch some of the other demos that are available, take a look at our brochure, or contact us for further information.